In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your Canon TR7820 printer. So once you get the paper jam error on the screen, what I recommend is that you disconnect the printer from the wall outlet, okay? I mean from the electricity. Go ahead, pull the plug, even if the printer was turned on, because we don't want to play inside a printer, okay? Put our fingers there trying to remove the paper jam while it's connected. There's many different places where you can check for a stock paper. The first one, okay, on each side you get this gap, lift the top compartment and take a look right over here. There's a good chance that there's some stock paper, and with a pair of tweezers you'll be able to extract it. Usually you get this paper jam error when the carriage, the ink carriage that is currently hiding over there, is not able to move freely over the paper. When it blocks, sometimes because of a paper stuck there, it will give you this error. Now let me show you another place where you can look. Alright, let me lower here, and on the back of the printer, not many people know this, but there is a panel you can remove to fix those paper jams. So this is the panel I'm talking about. To remove it, okay, you simply have to, you see, to press on this latch towards the right side. Once you removed it, go ahead and take a look over here. Sometimes the paper gets stuck in these roller over here. Take a good look. You can even hide this panel. Okay. Sometimes the paper gets stuck right over here. So with maybe a tweezers again or a flashlight, you'll be able to take it and fix the paper jam. And to put back the panel, you simply need to guide it over here, just like that. Once you've fixed your paper jam, connect the printer back, press the power button, and the error should go away by itself without you having to do anything else. If you get a message on the screen like I do right now, power was not turned off correctly, blah blah blah, press OK. And you should be able to use your printer after doing this. Leave a like if this was helpful, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks again.